Hey, if you're getting a script error in Raycast, yeah, that can stop your commands or extensions from working properly. But don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, restart Raycast. Temporary glitches can cause script errors, and a quick restart often fixes them. Next, check permissions. Some scripts need access to files, apps, or system controls, so make sure everything is enabled in system settings. Now, if your script uses tools like Node, Python, or APIs, make sure those dependencies are installed and working correctly. Also, update the extension or script you're using. Outdated scripts can break or show errors. If the script connects to an external service, make sure your API key or login is still valid. Some scripts rely on internet access, so check your connection to make sure everything is working. If the error is still there, remove and reinstall the extension or script. This fixes corrupted files. Finally, make sure Raycast is updated. Newer versions fix bugs and improve compatibility. And that's it. One of these steps should fix the Raycast script error and get everything running again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.